The lecture 3 of F block elements deals with color and coordination complexes of lanthanides, separation of lanthanides using solvent extraction and ion exchange method. First, we will study about color of lanthanide ions. Lanthanide ions are colored due to FF transitions and intense charge transfer transitions. And lanthanides with electronic configurations with F0, F7, F14 ions are usually colorless. If you look at to lanthanum 3 plus which have F0 electrons is colorless. Consider gadolinium 3 plus with F7 electronic configuration is also colorless. And lastly, you look at ytterbium 3 plus and lutetium 3 plus which have F14 in their electronic configuration, and these ions are colorless as well. Next, look at the coordination complexes. Lanthanides have high tendency to form complexes due to their high charge and small size. Lanthanide tripositive ions, which is denoted by Ln3 plus, forms complexes with high coordination numbers. For example, LnH2O taken n times 3 plus in aqueous solution. These kind of complexes can exhibit a coordination numbers of 8 or 9. So the lanthanide ions readily forms complexes with fluoride and oxygen donor ligands like water, EDTA, beta diketonate, citric acid and oxalic acid ligands. Next, we will see into an important topic, that is separation of lanthanides. So in separation of lanthanides, we will study about two methods. One is the solvent extraction method and the other one is ion exchange method. First, we look into solvent extraction method. The principle of this method is the separation is based on the difference in partition coefficients of lanthanide salts between water and organic solvents. So the word partition coefficient mean it is the ratio of the concentration of a solute in the organic phase to its concentration in the water phase. So basically you will use a separating funnel in order to perform this experiment, and your lanthanide mixture is separated using water and organic solvents. So the solvents used for the extraction of lanthanides are usually tri-N-butyl phosphate denoted as TBP and di-2-ethyl hexyl phosphoric acid. If you consider an example, gadolinium nitrate can be separated from lanthanum nitrate by continuous extraction with water from a solution of these salts in TBP. So this is one of the method for separation of lanthanides. Then we will go into ion exchange method. In ion exchange method, basically you will use an aqueous solution containing the mixture of lanthanide ions is passed through the column using synthetic cation exchange resin. So in this method you are going to use an cation exchange resin. So the lanthanide ion which is denoted as M3 plus is going to replace the H plus ions. So as the equation says, M3 plus which is in aqueous phase plus 3HR, this is your HR is the resin, gives MR3 which is the solid. It means that the metal is getting binded to the cation exchange resin and 3H plus are released. Since the metal has a charge of plus 3, 3H plus has been released so that in order to maintain charge neutrality. So now, the binding ability of lanthanide ions with the cation exchange resin will depend on aquated lanthanide ions size. The lutetium 3 plus, as you know, which has small size because of lanthanide contraction, will form a bigger aquated ion because it can coordinate to a large extent than lanthanum 3 plus. So, the aquated lanthanum 3 plus will have a smaller size compared to aquated lutetium 3 plus. So depending upon the size, the separation takes place. So now as the metal is binded with the resin, now we are going to elute the column with citric acid ammonium citrate solution as an elutant. So during elution process, ammonia molecules NH4 plus ions replace these M3 plus ions and thereby giving the metal citrate complexes. So consider in this diagram the purple ones as lutetium aquated lutetium 3 plus ions and green ones as lanthanum 3 plus aquated ions. Then as you elute with citric acid ammonium citrate solution, these ions try to carry down the column. Then as you keep adding the elutant, the lutetium 3 plus ions will come downwards and lanthanum 3 plus aquated ions will arrange towards upward. Then as you further continue the process, the first complex which comes ion which comes out is lutetium 3 plus because it has higher or bigger aquated ion size compared to lanthanum 3 plus which is smaller. So here is the equation showing Rm3 Rm3 plus ammonium plus gives R ammonium plus M3 citrate. So initially our metal which is binded with the resin, when you add ammonium ions replace the metal and thereby metal is coming out with citrate. So this is the second method used for the separation of lanthanides.